Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy and we're gonna get straight into our daily stock recap. First stock of the day, GameStop Corp. On the hourly, ticker symbol GME. No other words need to be said for this stock. Up 92% today. Post market up almost 45%. This stock, don't fight this stock. I know it is so tempting to short this stock, but the more you short, the more you're going to get burned. Just don't do it. Don't short it. Don't be that guy because you are going to regret it. You might be like, oh, it's at 200 now. It's definitely going to get shorted. Next day, it's going to be at 400 and you're going to be like, damn, I'm out. And then these type of stocks are just so dangerous if you're in them. And if you were in this early, this was a life-changing decision that was made. And congratulations to everybody who capitalized. I unfortunately was not in GameStop. I am just admiring this. You can see on this chart, this trend line right here, we are nowhere near the bottom of this trend line. The SMAs all the way at the bottom, can't even see them. This is how high this stock is going. How much more can this stock go? Honestly, that is not something that I can even predict. This thing could go to 1,000, and that is something that you might laugh, but never know. It could get to 1,000. But GameStop, I just wanted to add this in because I think this is a monumental moment in stock market history. And so if we're just looking at it on a technical basis, if the stock gets down to here on this trend line and we test it as support, this could be another opportunity to get into this stock for maybe another leg up. As of right now, this thing is just still going crazy. No signs of slowing down as we can see after hours. Second stock of the day, we're looking at NEO on the hourly. And so NEO, pretty flat day, only up 0.5%. Nothing really changed here with the chart. We are still trading underneath this line of resistance. If we don't break and if we backtest and get rejected, I do see us touching this bottom line of support, but that is yet to be seen. We are still just going sideways, consolidating a little bit, but we are up only 0.5 on NEO today. Third stock of the day, we're looking at BLNK charging on the hourly, and this was another stock that had a nice short squeeze today. So you guys know I sold my puts yesterday, and thank goodness that I did because this thing went parabolic today. We were up over 32%. We tested a high of about $63. Now that I'm looking at this stock, we are above this channel and we got there within 1 day. Can this stock go any higher? This is a very heavily shorted stock. About 25% of the flow is being shorted. So there is that potential for it to keep rising just on the fact that short sellers covering their position. So if you are in BLNK right now, there is still potential for it to squeeze higher based on all the short interest. After hours, we are down a little bit. Personally, I don't think this is going to have a squeeze like the GameStops and the AMCs that we're seeing, but we did see a pretty crazy day today. I do expect to see a cool off day tomorrow. For stock of the day, we're looking at TSNP on the hourly. So today was a pretty calm day. We were down 10%, but there was nothing really significant that happened in TSNP. We are still trading above this upward trend line. So there is nothing really to take into consideration for TSNP. We needed a cool off day. We've been going crazy recently. And as long as we are above this uptrend line, bulls have full control of the stock and the stock should just keep chugging along. Solid day. We needed that cool off day. Down 10% today on TSNP. Fifth stock of the day, we're looking at GOEV on the daily time frame. So Canoe bled down a little bit more today. We were down about 3.5%. We got rejected by this line of resistance, which was bearish. We broke down, and now I am looking for us to test this line of support, which is also our uptrend line. And if you also do see the 50 SMA is creeping up, and it does look like we might touch at the exact same time. And so if we cannot hold that line of support, this thing is going to start to go down. However, if you do see a bounce off this SMA or this line of support, could be a potential swing play to get in because, again, as long as we are above this line, you should be bullish on the stock. And even though we are bleeding down a little bit, we are still above. So this is a major line of support for Canoe stock. Next stock of the day, we're looking at HYSR, Sun Hydrogen on the daily time frame. So we were down 8% today, and we have just continued to bleed down ever since we hit a high here at around 33 cents. And so the next big step for this stock is to see if we can hold this line of support. So if we can hold this line of support, I do see this going up again, and this could be a potential buy-in zone for a nice little swing play. So I'm going to watch this one tomorrow to see how it trades. gains, but right now we are sitting right above it. You can see that we tagged it. So overall, Sun Hydrogen has been cooling off a little bit, which is expected. It did have a significant run. I am going to see if it holds this support line. So again, I will keep you guys updated. As of right now, we are above this line and we were down 8% today in Sun Hydrogen. Last stock of the day, SNDL, sundial grower. So I got a lot of people asking me to do a video and a chart on this one. So I'm not going to do a specific video. So I'm just going to add this onto the end of our daily stock update. And so sundial has been trading on this upward trend line since about October of 2020. And today we did break down below this line. We are about to touch the 200 and the 50-day SMA, so I do expect us to get a test of this line of support. If we can't hold this line, we will break down further. If we do bounce off, this is a good buying opportunity to get in on SNDL. As of right now, it does seem bearish in the short term. And so SNDL was just a bonus stock for a lot of the people that were asking me to take a look at this stock. So if you guys like this quick little update video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. We are so close to that 1K subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed already, feel free to click that subscription button. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.